So you see, in this question, there are two mathematically similar shapes, and this large one, the large one has a volume of 3, 4, 5, 6. The large one has a volume of 3, 4, 5, 6. So the volume is 3, 4, 5, 6, and the volume and the surface area is what, 0, 2, 4. And the small container has a volume of 1458, and he's asking you the surface area of the small container. So these are similar figures. So what happens in similar figures is that the surface area, if I call this SL, large and small, the surface area of the large over the surface area of the small is equal to the square of the ratios of the lengths of the large over the lengths of the small. Now we don't know the lengths ratio, so we can't we are not sure how to do this, but we also know that the volume large over the volume small is equal to the length large over the length ratio cube. So what we will do is we'll find this ratio. Let me call this the side ratio. So I'm writing here that VL over VM is the side ratio whole cube. So the side ratio whole cube is equal to 3456 divided by 1458. Now that comes out to be, if you divide 3456 divided by 1458, it comes out to be 3456 divided by 1458. No, the volume is this. Okay, volume is this. So I will leave. What I'll do is I'll keep this as 3456 by 1458 raised to power cube root is the side ratio. Now this is also equal to the side ratio whole square. So what I'll do is I'll put this here. So side the surface area of the bigger over the surface area of the smaller, which is given to be 1024 over Sm, should be equal to the Sr, which is this, raised to power 2 by 3. So 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 1, 4, 5, 8, 1, 3 raised to power 2, because this is 2 here. So now you have to calculate that Sm 1024 is equal to 3456 by 1458 is to power 2 by 3. Now how do you do this? So पहले तो 3456 को कर लेते हैं, which comes out to be 2.37, and then you can just square this, and then you can take the cube root of this. So 2.37 square होता है 5.61, and then you can find the cube root of this. So 1024 over Sm is this. Volume दी हुई है, surface area of the large है दिया हुआ. So very strange numbers are coming, but that's how it is. Surface area is 1024 by 5.61 raised to power 1 by 3. Now what is 1024 divided by divided by क्या है ये calculator, divided by 5.61 raised to power 0.33 bracket close. This is about 1.7 is equal to 576. He's get the answer is 576. So the answer is about 576, near about 576. So I'll repeat again, the two contain mathematically similar, and they have been the volume of the bigger is given, the volume of the smaller is given. So that ratio, and that ratio is actually the side ratio whole cube. So you 3456 by 1458, then you cube root it and find the side ratio, and then use that. This is the squares. The surface area over large over surface area is the square of the side ratio, and then you can calculate like this. You get the surface area of the smaller as 576.